Yes, people, welcome back to our channel. And today we're diving into a detailed review of JungleScout, the all-in-one platform designed to help you find, launch and grow your Amazon business. But before we started, please note that the features and pricing mentioned in this video are subject to change. So be sure to check the link below for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about what JungleScout has to offer for those serious about selling on Amazon. JungleScout is packed with tools designed to help you with product research, keyword tracking, supplier scouting, and much more. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your business, JungleScout has something for you. Well, let's start with the basics. JungleScout offers several subscription plans tailored to different needs. The most popular plan is the Suite, which costs $69 per month when billed annually. This plan provides access to essential tools like the product database, keyword scout, and supplier database. If you are just starting out, the basic plan is available for $29 per month when billed annually and includes product research tools, limited access to keyword data, and for those who are looking for more advanced features, the professional plan at $129 offers everything in the Suite plan, plus additional features like advanced historical data, more keyword tracking, and in-depth analytics. Now, let's break down some of the key features that make JungleScout stand out. One of the most popular tools is the product database, which helps you discover profitable product IDs by filtering through millions of Amazon listings. You can sort products by category, sales data, competition level, and much more. The Keyword Scout tool is another favorite, which allowing you to find high-performing keywords to optimize your product listing and improve your Amazon SEO. JungleScout also offers the Opportunity Finder, which helps you identify niches with high demand and low competition. This tool is invaluable for discovering untapped markets where you can launch your products. Additionally, the supplier database allows you to find verified reliable suppliers from around the world, making the sourcing process much easier. Now, let's compare JungleScout with some other tools available on the market. Helium 10 is another popular Amazon seller tool that offers a wider range of features such as listing optimization, PPC management, and refund management. However, JungleScout stands out with its user-friendly interface and strong focus on product research and sourcing. Another competitor, Viral Launch, offers similar tools but is often considered more expensive, with fewer features, lower subscription levels compared to JungleScout. Well, let's dive into the pros and the cons of JungleScout. On the plus side, JungleScout is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It's packed with valuable data and insights that can help you make informed decisions and grow your Amazon business. The comprehensive product research tools are especially beneficial for finding profitable products and reducing the risk of failed launches. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The subscription cost may be a bit steep for beginners on a tight budget, and some users might find that certain features like advanced keyword tracking are only available on higher tier plans. Additionally, while JungleScout is excellent for product research and supplier sourcing, it lacks some of the broader features that competitors like Helium 10 offers, such as inventory management and PPC automation. In conclusion, JungleScout is a powerful tool for Amazon sellers, especially those focused on product research and finding reliable suppliers. Its user-friendly design combined with robust data and analytics make it an excellent choice for both new and experienced sellers. If you're serious about growing your Amazon business, JungleScout is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you find this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you're interested in trying out JungleScout, be sure to use our link. We'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps or support our channel. Thanks again, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.